Hi.
Hello! I'm Emily and I'm here at the Wenatchee Valley Museum in the MakerSpace.
And I am Tracy. And today, what are we going to talk about?
We're going to talk about waves.
Okay, so waves. I bet your brains are already going. There are different types of waves. Sound waves that move through air and allow us to hear sound, and water waves move on top of water. Have you seen any waves like that?
Have you ever been to the ocean and seen the ocean waves? Or have you ever been to a big football stadium and seen people do the wave?
Also, I think if you know someone that works out at a gym, like a CrossFit gym, they have the ropes. And they make those ropes go, and you can see the ropes create a wave motion as well.
Yeah, so you've probably seen waves all over the place. But have you ever seen sound waves?
All right, so first, we need to understand what waves are. Waves transport energy, not matter, from place to place. In science, a wave is a disturbance that moves through matter or through an empty space.
So there are a couple different types of waves that we're going to talk about. So transverse waves are ocean waves, or using your arms to make the ropes go up and down, or if you're at a stadium and you do the wave. All those waves we just talked about are transverse waves.
And then we have longitudinal waves. This is like a slinky moving back and forth. So it's a compression of the energy moving back and forth, and all sound waves are examples of a longitudinal wave, which we have a couple fun experiments to play with longitudinal waves.
So one activity you can do that has to do with sound waves is making your own telephone. So in order to do that, you get 2 paper cups, you poke a hole in the bottom of each cup, and you tie a knot to lock in your paper cups. So then you can test it out.
Now, all you have to do is make sure the string is nice and tight, and you can talk into it. You can whisper. You can even...
Ooh, you can hear that so much.
Another experiment is if somebody's talking, you can pinch the wave and see what happens. Does it make it quieter? Does it stop the sound wave from traveling? You can also take your cell phone and play music in there and have somebody hear it. It's amazing what a string and 2 cups can do. It really carries the sound over through the other cup. Hello.
Oh. Hello.
Oh, that's so loud. Can you hear me? I can hear you.
Oh, this is so fun.
It is really loud. It is loud, so be careful. So how can you see a sound wave? Well, in our next video, I have a little mini speaker that I connected my phone to, and I have the Blue Man group, and they're kind of a drumming group, and it makes a lot of vibrations in the speaker. And I took a little cup, and I put things in it like beans, I put rice, I put pom-poms. Now, the thing is with the rice, it's hard to see, so we colored it, and we actually put a little...
Plastic wrap?
Yes, we put plastic wrap on top and made it nice and tight, and you can see the rice bouncing and dancing on it. We used quite a few different items, so you can see how different weights and different items dance around with the vibrations of the music. And then the messy one was I did it with paint.
Yeah, so if you do the paint, you might want to do the paint outside so you don't get paint all over your house. Now, let's take a look at this in action.
Things are about to get messy. We got some paint. Let's see what happens. I hope you really enjoyed our wave experiments and that you are able to do some of these at home.
It's a great way to see a visual of how waves work. Have fun, and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.